Ever wondered if your digital fortune is truly safe, tucked away in a hardware wallet? With crypto hacks making headlines, it's a question on every investor's mind. We spend so much time researching cryptocurrencies, analyzing charts, and strategizing our investments. But how much time do we dedicate to understanding the security of the very device holding our hard-earned assets? Today, we're diving deep into the world of the Ellipal Wallet to uncover just how safe your crypto truly is with this popular cold storage solution. The Ellipal Wallet positions itself as a fortress for your digital assets, and its primary selling point is its air-gapped nature. What does air-gap truly mean in the context of a crypto wallet? It means the device is completely isolated from the internet. No Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no USB, no NFC, nothing that could create a direct online connection. This is a crucial distinction. Unlike hot wallets that are always online or even some hardware wallets that still require a USB connection for transactions, the Ellipal relies solely on QR codes for all data transfer. When you want to send a transaction, you initiate it on the Ellipal device, which generates a QR code. You then scan this QR code with the Ellipal mobile app, which is online. The app broadcasts the signed transaction to the blockchain, but your private keys, the real treasure, never leave the air-gapped device. This design significantly reduces the attack surface, making it exceptionally difficult for online hackers to gain access to your funds. But security isn't just about being offline. The Ellipal wallets, particularly models like the Titan and Titan 2.0, boast a robust physical design. They feature a fully metal-sealed body that's designed to be tamper-resistant. Any attempt to physically open or disassemble the device will trigger a self-destruction mechanism, wiping all stored data. This is a powerful deterrent against supply chain attacks, where malicious actors might try to compromise the device before it even reaches you, or evil-made attacks, where someone tries to physically tamper with your wallet when you're not looking. Furthermore, the Ellipal utilizes a secure element chip, often certified with CC EAL5+ or even EAL6+ on newer models like the X card. This dedicated chip is designed to securely store your private keys and execute cryptographic operations in an isolated environment, even if other parts of the device were somehow compromised. Beyond the core air-gapped and physical security, Ellipal incorporates additional layers of protection. There's PIN and passphrase protection, allowing you to set an extra password to create a hidden wallet or secure your recovery phrase. If you input the wrong PIN too many times, the device can automatically self-destruct, erasing all sensitive data. While this sounds extreme, it's a fail-safe to protect your assets from unauthorized access if the device falls into the wrong hands. They also support multiple seed phrase backups and even offer a secret secondary wallet option, which could be useful in extreme scenarios where you might be forced to unlock a wallet. Of course, no system is entirely impenetrable, and it's important to consider any potential historical vulnerabilities. A few years ago, a security firm did identify some vulnerabilities, primarily related to physical access and potential reactivation of communication interfaces. However, Ellipal claims to have addressed these with subsequent firmware updates and product redesigns, emphasizing their commitment to continuous security improvements, even establishing a bug bounty program to encourage responsible disclosure of any new findings. The key takeaway from these past reports is that even with hardware wallets, physical security and keeping your device safe from unauthorized access are paramount. So, is the Ellipal wallet safe? Based on its air-gapped design, robust physical security features, secure element chip implementation, and continuous efforts to address vulnerabilities, the Ellipal Wallet presents a compelling case for being a very secure cold storage solution for your cryptocurrency. It significantly mitigates many of the risks associated with online wallets and even some other hardware wallets that rely on direct connections. As with any crypto storage, ultimately, your security also hinges on your own practices, safeguarding your recovery phrase, using strong PINs and passphrase, and being vigilant against phishing attempts. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.